Hey guys, welcome to the next video of my Care Bear palette series. I'm going to be doing a look for the color Grumpy Bear, which is the blue in the lipstick, and we're using the eyeshadow palette, the eye primer. The eye primer I like is called Light Beige Avon True Color. Using one of these spongy brushes that come in most cheap eyeshadow. I'm going to do this off camera. Then I'm going to do my concealer off camera. The concealer is kind of bad because it had nothing to blend into because I'm not wearing foundation. I use the other side of the one I was using for this. The reason I'm wetting my brush is because this is baked eyeshadow and it doesn't really it just has a lot more pigment when you wet the brush. Wish Bear. Top of it. This is a cream eyeshadow brush. Get it wet, which is basically essentially what I just used. And we're gonna use Bashful Heart Bear, which is right there. It's like the neutrally. Put that on top of what we just did. So you see the like blue peeking through. Next we're gonna use should I use Surprise Bear? I guess so. We're gonna use Surprise Bear. Put that on the outer corner. Oh my god, the pigment! Blendy brush. Just gonna wipe off the excess. There's a lot of it, but let's go ahead and wipe that boy off. Professional. Maybe I'll just do the inner corners with Grumpy Bear. How about that? Blue wing and blue mascara. Moral of the story is, don't give me access to makeup because I go wild with it. I just drew some sick teardrops. I did some blue underliner too. I didn't even put on the mascara, so I'm not going to. Put on this now. I have white people lips, so what did I do to this simple Care Bears makeup look? TBH, I don't know. But the lighting is awful. There they are. We got some blue eyeliner all over the place, so, and you know that. Bye, subscribe, see you later all you haters. I just cut open my hand with my other hand.